Welcome to Monkey Wrenching. Pretty excited to open this package right here. This is, that I know of, this is a discontinued part. Can't get it anywhere else. You're only going to find it here on this channel unless somebody else has got one hidden in a garage somewhere. First things first, oh my god, peanuts. Why? Why peanuts? I knew I should have opened it from the bottom. I was gonna open it from the bottom too. This is dumb. Gonna make such a mess. Come on. There's nothing I hate more than packing peanuts. Interesting. Well folks, what you're looking at here is a dual inlet carburetor hat. I thought the ports were going to be a bit bigger. They're definitely not, but we'll make them work. I think we'll just open them up a little bit, at least on the ends there. Go ahead and get it open. Oof. It is cast aluminum, as you can hear. It's actually really light. A lot lighter than I thought it was going to be. Well, that's cool. I wonder if that's steel. Nope, that's aluminum. Wait. Yeah. Oh yeah, definitely aluminum. Cool. Nice little spacer ring there. Got our deals right here. Let's check and see if it fits. We're going to need our carb hat adapter. Give me just a moment. Alright, we have our stock carb hat adapters. You see here it's slotted out for the TBI. I'm going to go ahead and drop it in. I do need to clean it up a little bit more. Uh-oh, I'm a little worried. I don't think it's going to work. We may need to space it a bit more. And if that's the case, we need to find another one of these, maybe hidden in the junkyard somewhere. This thing end up going to be like 20 feet tall. Oh. Okay, so what we can do is shorten this shaft. But for now, that's this. It's much smaller than I thought. Much smaller. And I'm not sure it's going to work. Definitely only worth the 10 bucks that I paid for it, so I'm not going to get upset. But let's see if we can make it work. Alright, so oh, that's why I hate packing peanuts. Man, I gotta clean those up.